Hey, I'm Kayla, and my friend is going nuts. I swear, she's acting like animals. Like, I'm just trying to fake record her. Okay, so just keep quiet. Oh my God! I think she's.
Oh, honey, I'm honey. Oh, watch out! I need room to do my honey. I'm a pony. No, I'm a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Now I'm a cow. Now I'm a cow. Moo!
I get it.
Milk me! Milk me!
See?
What? Who are you talking to?
Internet.
Milk me! Milk me! Ooh, I want to talk to the computer.
Yeah. Photos. Photos.
Because I'm a cow. Ooh, now I'm a turtle. Nope. Oh, I'm a T-Rex. Okay, you ready? Wait. Let me see this. I gotta look at it. Look at it. Why am I so weird?
That's pretty good. Get off me!
Milk me. Oh, look at me. I'm a cow who's a hillbilly.
You know what? Yeah. I'm out of here.
Milk me. Milk me. Milky. Oh, bye. Oh, wait.